Welcome to ExcelinkBizPro tutorial, empowering you to manage and track your inventory and sales with ease. Let's begin by going to the Excelink main menu. From there, click on Inventory, then choose Create Purchase Order to start drafting a new order. Next, let's fill in the PO ID along with the other required details like the business unit code. Remember, fields highlighted in yellow are for you to fill out, while those in red are automatically generated, so just skip those. To quickly add a new line for your purchase order, simply click the New PO button located at the top of your screen. Once you've created a new line, you can now start adding items to include in your purchase order. For this example, we'll be working with PO 80001. Once you've created a new line, you can now start adding items to include in your purchase order. For this example, we'll be working with PO 80001. Next, let's add another product. For this sample, we'll include Coke as the final line item in PO 80001. There are times when you might not want your pricing changed, especially when editing item prices in the product setup. As you can see, all fields shown in red text are formula-driven and automatically generated. To avoid this, just click the hardcode button above to save the red text to values. Now let's test it out. For example, let's change the SRP of Coke in our product setup from 30 pesos to 40 pesos. When we go back to our purchase orders, take note that it won't affect our previously created PO 80001. Instead, the updated price will only apply when we create a new PO, like PO 80002. As shown here, PO 80002 has Coke at 40 pesos, while PO 80001 stays at 30, proving old POs aren't affected by price changes. Sometimes, you might accidentally delete red text that's formula-based. To restore it, click the plus icon on the top left corner, then go to row 2, right-click the formula cell, choose Copy, and paste it into your target range. Lastly, to print your purchase order, go to the Excelink main menu, click on Inventory, then select Print Purchase Order. When prompted, just enter the PO ID and press OK to proceed with printing. After that, a PDF file will be generated. You can either save it to your folder or print it using your PDF reader. You now have a clean and professional purchase order printout, complete with product details, supplier information, and more. And that wraps up our purchase order module. Thanks for following along, and see you in our next lesson.